Hello everyone, this is Maruf. Today I'm going to talk about SAP Business One trial license period and how to bypass the trial license period. So basically, those of you who do not know what SAP Business One is, it is an ERP software provided by SAP SE, which is a German company. SAP Business One is great for day-to-day business operations for small to medium scale companies. There are other such products, and you can look them up on their website and on Google. So basically, once you have installed this software, you get 31 days to be able to use it, and after that has passed, SAP Business One will not work as they have for the period. So basically, I have installed this software back in February and if of this year, and if I try to log into the software right now, we get hit by a bunch of errors here at the bottom that are all license related, and if you have pre-installed any add-on, they will fail to connect as well. So basically this error is related to the Screen Painter add-on and it failed to connect. If we head over to the module section and try to open one of the modules, we get hit by the same error again because we have run out of the trial period license. So there's a little neat trick to bypass this license issue. So first what we have to do is close the software, go to date and time. You can find this inside control panel. All we have to do is change the date back to the very day when you have installed the software, and you can set the date to any day within the 1 month. So basically, if I have installed it on 17th of February, I can pick any date from 17th of February to 17th of March. So I'm just gonna pick 17th of February, hit OK, and check if the system time has changed. Yes, it says 17th February, so I'm going to run the software once again. See, now it says there's no error, the add-ons connect as expected. And if we head over to the modules once more, try to open one of the modules, as you can see they open just fine. This is not practical or ideal for any running business because the posting date will just have to be within the trial period. So I would recommend, if you are planning to use this for your business, get a license, learn about the license matrix from their website and work with that. So that's it for now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that I can feel more motivated to do this kind of videos. I have a plan to bring out some more tips and tricks videos on the SAP Business One, and maybe some on programming languages such as C# and anything else in the future. So that's it for now. Thank you very much.